Hello, friends. Welcome to episode 5 of my prop firm challenge trading journey. If you're new here, I started this prop firm challenge was the ending of May, and I decided to document 100k prop firm Hola Prime prop firm challenge, where I promised that I would be trading this prop firm, trying to pass phase one and then pass phase two and then get funded and then get some payouts. Yeah, so just like I updated you guys last week, I was able to pass my phase one of this Hola Prime challenge, as you can see in this my journal. And currently, I have taken some trades in phase two. Although none of this trade has closed yet, all the trades that I took this week are still open and running, and I hope to get to my final TP. For those that don't know anything about prop firms, so prop firms are like trading companies or organizations that provide capitals to traders. As you all know, in order for you to make good amounts of money in trading or tangible profit in trading, we need to have um, a substantial amount of capital to trade with. You cannot be trading with $100 and expect to make good amount of money if at all you are going to follow good risk management. Because if you only have $100 in your trading account, you might be forced to full port everything and risk the whole account balance. But in order for someone to trade responsibly and to trade safely with good risk management, they need a substantial capital whereby the trader would be able to risk a very small portion of that capital, like let's say 1% of that capital or 0.5% per trade, and that 0.5% or 1% would be substantial if the person or the trader ends up making profits. So that is why people opt for prop firm accounts. But the thing with prop firm is um, traders get to pay a small fee. Like let's say this 100k account that I'm trading now costs about $300. So you get to pay a small fee, let's say $300, in order to get access to a capital of $100,000. But mind you, this $100,000 capital is not raw cash, it's not raw capital. It is kind of a simulated account, kind of like a demo account. You get to trade on this demo account, and any profit you make, you get to pass like exams, which is known as evaluations. You get to pass phase one. When you pass phase one, you go on to phase two. If you pass phase two, and then they give you another account, which is called the live account, any profit you make on this live account, you would be entitled to 80% of this profit, and then the firm itself will be entitled to 20%. So it will be like a 80-20 profit split kind of. So you get, so that's for those that don't know anything about what prop firms are. So there is the company I'm trading with is called Hola Prime. Presently, I have a Hola Prime 100k account, and I have successfully passed the phase one, let's say exam number one. I'm now on phase two, and let's call phase two exam number two. If I pass this phase two, I will be given the live account, which is like the exam number three. And any profit I make on that live account, I will get an 80% profit split, and the company is going to keep 20%. So coming back to my journal here, I have three trades running from my phase two account. I have a trade on Euro CHF, I have a trade opened on Euro JPY, and I have another trade opened on CHF JPY. One very good thing, one very nice thing about my trading now is I've been able to like follow my trading strategy. I've been able to like follow everything I said I will be following. I've tried to minimize the errors I make in my trading. So I wasn't planning on making a video this week, but I just felt that it will only be nice for me to just update you guys on what I am doing, just like I promised you. Even if none of the trade has closed, they are still open. They've neither hit stop loss nor take profit. So I'm just gonna open the charts, the screenshots of the trades for you guys to see, just for you to like follow along to see what I am doing in the market. So starting from the first trade I took on Euro CHF, you can see the trade here kind of a little bit in profit, and I hope when markets opens by next week, I hope this trade rolls down to final take profit. So typically I hold my trades from between um, 5 days to about 2 to 3 weeks. So I still need time. This trade still needs time to like play around and up until it gets to my final take profit or take me out on a stop loss. I don't really care because my risks are managed. I have like a constant risks of 0.7% on all my trades. So the second trade I have here opened is on Euro JPY. This trade is also opened too, and yeah, I followed my strategy. This is just a simple Fibonacci play. We have this liquidity sweep here. We have break of structure, right? I took my Fibonacci from this level to this level, and I entered on the 0.684 Fib level. This trade went almost to my take profit, but it started like playing around. I'm not going to touch this trade. I don't break even. I don't move stop loss to break even. I let my trade either hit stop loss or hit take profit. That is the way I trade. So hopefully by next week, this trade would hit my TP. Fingers crossed. Then the last trade I have opened is on the CHF JPY. This is the last trade I have opened. As you can see also, the same principle, liquidity sweep, break of structure, use my Fibonacci from the swing high to swing low, entered on the 0.684 Fib level, and I'm waiting patiently and hoping for this trade to move to my take profit, not stop loss, to move to my take profit by next week. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Yeah, so these are all the trades that I have running. These are all the setups that I got this week, and I still have them running. And hopefully, I hope they all hit my take profit by next week. So just like I promised, also I like to record my balance, my prop firm balance at the end of each trading week. So on the Friday of a trading week, I would check my balance and see what my balance is and then record it just to keep track of my balance. I don't really care about the equity because anything could happen to the equity. I could have a high equity now and then by tomorrow the equity will reverse. So my balance is what I care about. So right now I still have $100,000 in balance. My balance is still untouched, is still intact for my phase two. Yeah, still have that. And then let's see, I think the last thing I would want to show you guys is just my let me show you guys. No, this is it. So this is my dashboard. This is the phase one that I passed. This is the phase one that I passed. And then this is my dashboard for the phase two. Just for accountability, just for you guys to see that I'm not lying. This is my phase two dashboard. This is my balance. This is my balance. This is my equity. I'm currently in about $797 in profit. This is my phase two dashboard. Let me go through my stats and history. I think this should be empty because I haven't really closed any trade so far. Yeah, I haven't closed any trade so far. So, yeah, I think this is all for this week's video. It's a short one. I don't want to waste too much of your time because I don't really have any tangible results to share. I only have the trades that I have taken this week. I'm only here to showcase them for you guys. So that's all about this video. Please, if you are new to this channel, please support me. Like this video, share this video, turn on notifications just in case I post videos like this and you are interested in like following my journey. You will get notified anytime I post a video. Please subscribe to this channel, support me, let's grow together. I'm very, very sure, I have that strong belief that we're all gonna make it in this industry. We're all gonna become profitable traders. Please like, subscribe, share, and then support your boy. With that being said, see you in the next one. Peace.